Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Trio Techies. My name is Anuj Rana and today in this video I'm going to tell you that how can you download songs from Spotify. This is going to be a very interesting video as the name says. So let's go ahead and begin the video now. So first of all I need to do is let me open my Spotify application for you. Now over here this is the interface, the home page that I'll get on my Spotify. The first thing we need to do is, first of all, let's select a song. All right, so this is how I have selected this song. This is Haire Haire. All right, let me just see how can I download this song for you. I can see over here the three dots over here on the right side. I need to tap on this and it will open a new dialog box for me. So from here, I can select for the third option. First of all, let me add this song in my playlist. So let's tap on this option, add to playlist. Now I already have some playlists over here, so I'll go ahead and add this song in one of any playlists. So let me select this one, the 22. Yeah, add it to 22. Now let's go to library. Let's open this playlist. Yeah, I can see the song is already there. Now over here you can see the download button over here. Yeah, it's over there, the top left side corner. Because guys, when you will open that list, the first list that we opened, from where we added the song to the playlist, there you won't get any kind of downloading option. First you have to add the song to your playlist and then from there you can easily download it. So let me tap on this one. Yeah, the downloading has been started. Now it depends upon your network speed, how fast your network can download the song. All right guys, so this is how the downloading has been completed, and once the download is completed, the song is there in your playlist and now you can play it offline also. That means you can switch off the mobile data, or else whenever your phone is on airplane mode or is not connected with Wi-Fi or any kind of network services, then also this song can be played from your playlist. So that is all for today's videos guys. If this video was helpful for you, just let us know in the comment box. However, if you need any other assistance for any other social media platform related, if you're facing any kind of technical issues, let us know in the comment box. I'll go and I'll try to make videos on that so that you get the better resolutions. All right. So guys, stay in touch with us. Have a nice day. Goodbye.